Kota, a city on the western periphery of India, is synonymous with students. As of 2023, over 2 lakh students were enrolled in Kota's various coaching institutes. Most students who are in the age bracket of 15 to 19 years come from every corner of India to Kota every year to prepare for the JEE and NEET exams. A deadly cocktail of meeting steep expenses, sky-high expectations from back home, and living in a faraway land at a tender age often breaks the spirit of the most spirited, making Kota the student suicide capital of India.
Peer pressure बढ़ता है, friends का pressure बढ़ता है, teachers की expectations, everybody's expectations and your self expectations. किसी और की मान लो 1 सेकंड के लिए साइड कर दो, बट आपकी जो expectations होती है ना, कभी कभार वो भी आपको ऐसे इफेक्ट कर जाती हैं.
Last year saw a record 26 students dying by suicide in Kota. That is, on an average, more than 2 students taking their lives every month. It was almost a jump to double from 2022. But this is not a new phenomenon. But for the electoral class, it seems that these are just statistics that have no place in politics. No political party has raised it in their campaign, on their social media outreach, or their speeches in Kota.
क्योंकि उनको लगता है स्टूडेंट माइनर्स हैं और अभी वो उनके वोट से उनको कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, तो स्टूडेंट माइनर्स है. कोटा में ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट माइनर्स ही आते हैं, इसी वजह से गवर्नमेंट उनके मुद्दे नहीं उठा रही है, वोट बैंक नहीं है. जब वो स्टूडेंट आगे जाके वोट देने लायक हो जाएंगे तो वही गवर्नमेंट उनको अलग अलग स्कीम देके उनको उनके मुद्दे को, उस टाइप के मुद्दे को उठाना चाहेगी.
Last year, a 17-year-old NEET student allegedly died by suicide in Kota's Jawahar Nagar. Within 7 days of reaching the city, probably overwhelmed by the pressure. That is why many parents are now accompanying their children to Kota. Asmita Sharma, who reached Kota from Pauri Garhwal a week ago, is one such person.
नहीं, मेरी तो मम्मी भी आ गई डायरेक्टली. हाँ, डर के मारे कि इसको भी प्रेशर हो जाएगा थोड़ा.
The city is dotted with coaching centers, and the billboards in Kota are not of big brand, but of the various institutes whose collective annual revenue is pegged to be at 5,000 crores. These students virtually run the economy of Kota. But apart from paying lip service, they remain as forgotten children for our netas. This high-profile seat has been held by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla since 2014.
जो भी बेटे बच्चे बेटे बेटी आदि मेरे परिवार के सदस्य हैं, ये मेरा परिवार है. मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि एक भी सुसाइड ना हो, और इसके लिए राज्य सरकार, प्रशासन, सामाजिक संस्थाएं, समाज सब कोशिश करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे बेटे बेटी हैं. एक के साथ भी घटना होती है तो बहुत पीड़ा होती है. इससे सबके प्रयास हैं, कोशिश करेंगे और बेहतर तरीके से कोशिश करेंगे. जहाँ कुछ भी ठीक करने की आवश्यकता है, सरकार, प्रशासन, सोसाइटी, समाज, जहाँ बच्चे रहते हैं उनके परिवार के लोगों को कहेंगे कि अपने बच्चे बच्चियों की तरह रखें.
Every year from across India, students gather here in Kota to prepare for JEE and NEET exams, whose industry revenue is pegged to be around rupees 5,000 crore per year. Hospitality, hotels, retail, they run virtually everything. The students run the economy of Kota. Yet when it comes to the Lok Sabha election, student suicide is not an electoral issue here. They say they are not a vote bank. In the cutthroat electoral politics, these students are everybody's forgotten children. Reporting from Kota with Sumit Jaguri, I'm Anidu Banerjee for CNN News 18.